I'll need a lot of beads for this craft. And I know you're going to love it. Next, I'll need my glue gun. I'll pour glue over the beads. I want to make sure I cover the whole shape. No one wants a broken heart. And this ring is gorgeous. That does look good. But I've got a 3D pen. I want to draw the outline of a flower. Now I can fill it in. I'll start with the petals, but I'll leave the center empty for now. Now I'll switch colors and use yellow for the middle of the flower. I'll press that onto the flower. And that's it. Wow, looking at it makes me feel happy. Everybody loves flowers.
I've got my marker and I've got my 3D pen. Time to start my plan by circling this cap. Okay, there we go. Now I can slide this right off. I'll just draw this little loop like this. And now I'll need to fill in this little loop space too. Back and forth, back and forth. Alright, I'm done there. Now to bring in the little bits I pre-made. I'll connect them on the side. Now I need some yellow. I'll just draw my letter with this yellow 3D ink. I'll just put my little hat right on top of my head. And now I'm ready. Swing! Heads up!
Oh, ow! What the heck? Hey! What are you doing?
Oh my gosh! I totally hit him! I'll just put this hat on my little ducky instead. Yeah, it was him.
It's been a slow day so far.
Ahem! I'm here for cut and style.
Oh yes! I'm happy to help you. Please take a seat over here.
Thank you, I will.
How's the weather outside? Is it still hot? Okay, now how can I help you today?
I just need a little off the ends. Remove the split ends and lift it up a bit.
Of course, of course. I can definitely do that for you. I'll just need to adjust your chair. A little more. Just some more. A bit more. Alright, I'm ready to get started. You have beautiful hair. I can tell you take good care of it. I seem to have encountered a snarl.
What's going on back there? Why did you stop?
No worries. Don't worry at all. Everything is under control. Oh my gosh. The dome totally broke in half!
What's with that look on your face?
Oh, it's nothing. Just a little gas. What am I gonna do? That was my best comb! Wait! Of course! My trusty 3D pen! That'll fix my problem. I've got a picture of a comb, so now I just need to trace it. I'll just fill it in with my favorite pink 3D ink. Okay, this is working well so far. There we go. The front half of the comb. And now to start with the handle. I'll use this pretty light green. It's such a pretty color. I don't get to use it that much. And since I'm making a new comb, I might as well make it prettier too. When I'm done with this part, I'll make some flowers too. Okay, almost done. And voila! A new comb. Oh, she fell asleep. Guess I better hurry up and finish. Back to combing her hair.
Oh, sorry. I must have dozed off there for a moment.
Okay, I think I've got this level locked down. Here I go, the final treasure run. I can do this!
What's he doing over there? He's pretty excited.
I'm so close to winning this dungeon!
Could I have a chance?
Huh? Oh no, I'm playing right now.
Please?
Ugh, I already said no! I'm playing!
Please, please, please!
I said no!
Well, fine then. You don't have to be so mean.
And I'm out of my drink too. Great. Listen, I'm watching you. Don't touch my game.
I'm watching you. Don't touch my game. What a grouch. Alright, he's gone. Now's my chance. He shouldn't have left it alone. He thinks he's so great at this game. I'll show him. Yeah! I'm awesome at this! He's not nearly as good as me. Take that! And that! How about this move? Oh no! I knocked off his mug! Oh, there it goes. Oh. No! It totally broke! What am I gonna do? He's totally gonna know that I was playing his game. Wait a second. I know! Alright, Mug. You're coming with me. And now to use my 3D pen. This is gonna solve my problem. I'll just trace the edge of this broken lip. Okay. So far this seems to be working. I have to keep going. Now up to the top of this side of the break. And now to go across. It's like stitching it closed. Or making a patch. It's gonna need a lot of lines, though. It doesn't have to be perfect right now, though. It's more important just to get some base lines put down. Okay, almost done, and… there we go! Phew! I think I fixed it. It's the best I can do anyway. Oh no! He's coming back! I need to get out of here! Quick! Back to my chair! Phew! Made it!
You're being suspicious. I'm still watching you. Something doesn't seem right around here. I feel like there's something amiss. Huh. Guess there's nothing. Alright, time to fill my mug back up. Gotta remain hydrated if I'm gonna win this level. Ah, so good.
Is he gonna notice?
Wait, what the heck is on my mug? Well, guess she had nothing to do with it. Doesn't matter. Back to my game. Thanks for vacuuming, Mr. Broccoli. Huh? What? Oh, I was dreaming. I wonder what time it is. I'd better check my phone. My phone! No! Ah! It hit the floor so hard! No! It's broken! Oh my gosh, this is the worst! Ah! I'm in a nightmare! What happened? Where am I? Right, my phone.
Hey! I'm down here where I fell, remember? Hi!
Ah! A nightmare! Ah! Oh my gosh! It was another nightmare! Sheesh! Wait! My phone! Phew. My phone is back where it belongs and not on the floor. But now I'm all freaked out. I can't let that really happen. I know what I can use. I can bring out my 3D pen and figure something out. I'll use this purple ink since I like it and start coloring the phone case. I'll just make a little zigzag across the top here, then go back across. And now for another zigzag back across. I just really need to fill this space with a lot of 3D ink. Okay, now that I've done the top, I'll do the sides too. I want to make sure that this is well covered too. There! I totally covered the whole phone case. Ah! I dropped it!
No worries. I didn't break it all.
Oh my gosh. I was so worried. But my new case totally worked. Alright, I'm going back to sleep. Nope. Not this. This isn't gonna work at all. Absolutely not. This is terrible. Ugh. My whole wardrobe is just the absolute worst. This is a disaster. Huh? What's going on in here? Ooh.
I literally have nothing to wear!
What are you talking about? Look at all this clothing!
But Jake asked me out on a date!
Jake? Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do?
Well, maybe this shirt could work? What do you think? Or maybe this red dress instead? Or is that too much?
I'm not sure that's the best look.
Wait! I think I just got a genius idea! I forgot I owned this cute crop top. Oh, but I don't have jewelry that will work with this look.
Wait! I think I know what you can do!
Huh? I don't get it. Oh wait! Dad, you're so smart! I'm sure I've got something in here. No! There's nothing! This is hopeless! This date is gonna be the worst date ever! I should just cancel!
Well, there's gotta be something we can do about this.
I can't go out without a pair of earrings! I just can't!
I'm not sure what I can… Wait! This neck pillow! And my 3D pen! Honey, I think this is the solution!
Oh my gosh! I think you're right! Okay, I've got a little drawing of a watermelon slice, and now to trace it. I'll start with black ink and just outline, all the way around the outside edge. And now to trace the lines on the inside too. Okay, I think this is turning out well so far. I'm not done yet though. I have to keep going. Time to start filling in the red watermelon color. Can't forget to do the edge in red too. There we go. All the way to this end. Time for the rind. This green is a good choice. This is so fun. I should do this more often. I'll need a darker green here though. And then I'll use the black color to do the melon seeds too. Just little bits on the red parts. Yes! Just one more over here, I think. Woo! I'm done! It looks so good! I love it! And then of course I need to do a second one and add earring pieces. Eee! I can't believe how great these turned out! I absolutely love them! Let me try them on. They look good, right? Cute? Thank you so much, Dad! Your smart idea really paid off. Alright, I'm off to my date with Jake!
Alright, have a good time with Jake. Ah, now where's my neck pillow? There it is. Better. Wait, what's that? Oh, a photo. Aw, look at that. She's having a great time. So cute.
Pay attention, class. I want you to answer this question. It's a tough one. It really is? I knew I should have studied harder. I don't know any of this. Nope, this isn't happening. Hey! Leave me alone. Oh no, my pen! Hey, Mickey. Do you have a spare pen? I've been chewing on mine. Oh, hold on. Here you go. Okay, let's do this. I know I'm going to fail. Ah, are you kidding me? What was that? My pen, you monster! faster! Shh. How's it going? Can I borrow a pen? I'd do anything for you, Ashley. 2 in a row? Why this keep happening? I don't believe this! I'm stronger than I thought. Time is running out. I need to hurry. I can't use any of these. So can anyone help me? Don't even think about it. Wait, why are you looking at me? Find another schmuck. You know, I don't blame them. Excuse me, do you have a pen? Not a problem, Ashley. You can have this one. No, stop! Hide your pen! Am I missing something? You know, I seem to have lost all my pens. But just saw you holding one. I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay, I'll have to make do with this. Ugh, this is pointless. I can't watch this anymore. I know what to do. I'll need the ink chamber from my pen. I'm going to make her an unbreakable pen. I've got a pen mold here. I'll place the ink chamber into it. Now I need to decorate it. I'll place flower petals into the mold. It's going to be so pretty. I have this little jar of glitter. I'll add to some epoxy resin. Then I'll give it a stir. I want to make sure it's combined. That looks about right. Now I can pour the epoxy resin into the mold. I'll need to cover the flowers. I want to fill it all the way up. Then I'll wait for it to set. I can remove it from the mold now. It just pops right out. Wow, look at that. I better give it to Ashley. Whoa, this is for me? I can't wait to try it out. Ooh, look at that action. Oh, come on, Ashley. Are you joking? Hey, it's still in one piece. That's one impressive pen. I'll just double check. Yep, it's Ashley proof. What an emotional roller coaster. Bravo! Thank you. A's all round.
Shouldn't there be a brick there? Good thing I never leave home without my tools. Not sure this is the best choice. There it is! My 3D pen always comes in handy. Nobody else should have to trip on this thing. Just a few more lines here, and it's time to fill them all in. No brick, no problem. Almost. Ta-da! Phew! Brilliant. Come on! Ah, yeah! Whoa!
I'm getting pretty good at this. I'm like a heart genius.
Come on! Stay in your lane! What? Stupid slow car! Go! Go! Go!
Ugh, do you mind, Betty?
Ugh, you don't understand. Oh!
Hey! Your key! How hard were you hitting that thing?
Oh! How am I supposed to play now? This is bad. Hand it over!
It's mine now!
Ugh. Ridiculous! She left her pen! 2 can play this game. If you lose a computer keyboard key, use a 3D pen and make one yourself. Just make it tall enough to match your other keys. Now for the moment of truth. Yes! The game stops for no one! Whoa! Betty? You're back!
Where was I?
Betty! You took my pen without asking! Why are sisters so annoying? At least I think fast. Whatever. Ooh! Looks like my tooth finally came out. Come and get it, Tooth Fairy! I can't wait till the morning. I'll never get used to that. Gross! Get off of me! Huh? Jeesh. Oh no! I'd better do some damage control. This one's seen better days. That's for sure. She's waking up! Break your favorite dish, use a 3D pen to fix it right up. This part takes a while, but it'll be worth it. Border's done. Now make lines across it, just like this. We're nearly halfway there, people. Now do the same in the opposite direction. It should look like this. Nice, huh? She won't even miss the old dish. There you go. Ooh, I almost forgot. That's why I'm here in the first place. I smell a tooth under here. Bingo! Worth a pretty penny, I'd say. Pleasure doing business with you. Oh, seriously?
This is the slowest day ever.
They have ice cream here? My mouth's watering already. Please say I have cash. I said cash, not trash. What about this thing? I can work with that. Oh! A customer! Hi there. Hello. Like what you see, huh? Only if you've got the green. Nothing! No? Then I can't help you. Ugh, fine. Be right back. Okay. I can make my own form of currency. As long as I have my handy 3D pen, that is. Perfect! Now for a couple more steps. Looks like an ice cream cone, right? And what goes better with that than ice cream? Can't forget the strawberry sauce! This thing is making me hungry! Looks awesome, doesn't it? And this part holds a chain! This is cute! Good thing I made earrings to match! I'm really feeling confident now! Time to class up my look! Almost… Oh, you're back! Yeah, I'm back alright. That necklace is divine. It'll match your ice cream, right? Yeah? Just a small one, please. Ugh! I didn't say anything about that. Every time. What kind of earrings would you make with a 3D pen? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.